Take a ride in the 2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, power passenger seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, climate control, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.